Alright, we're going to do MIDI routing. We're using the Korg Nano Control 2, and we're going to route something to Ppooll. I always start by looking at my Patchbay. I can see the Nano Control there, and I open up a MIDI monitor, and then I can see if anything is alive. Here's the first fader. Yes. And here's the first knob above it, so it's working. Open up Ppooll. And within Ppooll we open up Control Add. And it is helpful that within MIDI Patchbay we select max runtime, and within Control Add we select, in this case, Nano Control. The first fader hits home. We open up routing, and here you have the first fader is incoming. Alright, I'm going to route to something. We can route to the beast 1. We say the first fader is the act you can choose, the beast, and the parameter, well, be my guest. Let's take the vibrato. There you have it. You can have a look at the values. Minimum, maximum, 0 and 1, and it's totally sufficient. If I put a second fader, suppose we go to beast and we do the frequency though, we can see that 0 and 1 doesn't really get us very far. The whole range is between 0 and 15,000. So I might want to cover that. Type in 15,000, and we see it goes on quite nicely. What you hear in the background is something else. Right. Well, in this way you can tag all the faders and knobs you want, and also the buttons. Like, you can have one here showing up. I use the buttons for presets, I gather, when doing a session. And okay, let's say it's preset 1. Oh, yeah, okay, there we go. And if you have another button there, you can do preset 2. All right, Okay, that's the basics. I can show you a bigger routing patch I did 2 weeks ago with the Beast and the Nano control. And made a lot of presets, used all the faders and knobs, well, nearly all.